in Amuru and Mukono has major security operations uncover cattle theft ring and crack murder case. Security agencies have intensified operations across northern and central Uganda following two high-profile criminal incidents that have sent shockwaves through local communities. In Amuru district, 6 suspects are in custody over the theft of 105 heads of cattle from a farm belonging to former East African Legislative Assembly Speaker. The theft occurred on February 12, 2026 at Acholi, a village in Bana Parish, Lakang Sub-County. According to the officers working jointly with the security, the suspects were arrested following a coordinated intelligence-led operation. Authorities acted swiftly after receiving reports that a large herd of stolen cattle was being moved out of the area under suspicious circumstances. Police identified the suspects as Ezra Kuzara, George Talemwa, Nathan Yanga, Fred Kakuru, Stephen Karinga, and Hema Agaba. All are currently detained at Amuru Central Police Station as investigations continue. Preliminary findings point to a possible inside job. Investigators revealed that herdsmen employed at the farm allegedly orchestrated the theft. A key suspect identified as Dennis, also known as Sababanda, who is believed to have coordinated this transportation of the animals using trucks, remains on the run. Security forces intercepted the stolen cattle at a Jog village as the suspects attempted to cross the River Nile. So far, 84 of the 105 animals have been recovered, with efforts ongoing to trace the remaining 21. The incident has raised questions in neighboring districts such as Agagu, where community members insist that cattle theft in their area has not historically been linked only to Karamojong rustling, but also some machineries. Residents argue that recent cases emerging from regions without a history of Karamojong cattle raids suggest organized criminal networks operating independently. Security experts caution against speculation, noting that investigations must establish clear evidence before drawing conclusions about patterns or perpetrators. Meanwhile, in Mukono district, police have arrested a key suspect in the brutal killing of Pamela Tumabaze, director of